Today, we're going to be taking a little break from my journey home through the American West and head overseas for an update on my stock photography sales.
Hey everybody, two things you may notice. Number one, I'm sweating profusely. I'll explain that in a minute. Number two, you may have noticed that I have not published my June stock photography sales yet, and it's August. Well, here's the reason why for both. I'm not in the States. I'm in Naples, Italy. And this episode is about my June stock photography sales. As you can see behind me, I'm climbing. I'm heading up to a palace that I photographed a couple of years ago when I was here. Here's what that photograph looked like. But to get to it on foot takes a lot of stairs. So I'm in the process of climbing up here just to see what the view of Naples is like. I've always wanted to come up here and get the view of the city. But like I said, this episode is about my June stock photography sales. So I'll be honest with you, I've been so busy, I don't have them in front of me. But here are the images that sold for the first time ever. This keeps going and going, so these stairs are about 6 inches high, but the flat part is actually angled. So no matter what, you're going uphill. If you look way back there, you can see Mount Vesuvius. Whew. So I had a couple new images that sold this past month, but let's take a look at some of my top selling images from June.
This first image is from Chinhae, South Korea. I took this image of some nautical lines wadded up on the deck. This close-up got me $1.12 on Dreamstime. For my last trip to Washington, D.C., this is an evening image of the fountain at the World War II Memorial. I got $1.80 from Getty Images for this picture. This is an aerial panorama that I took with my drone of the sunset with the monsoon here in Arizona. For this image, I got $6.53 on Adobe. This evening image looking over the South Saskatchewan River towards the city of Saskatoon earned me $18.75 on Shutterstock.
I think we're getting close. So anyhow, guys, whew, hope this is worth it. So here are the numbers from each one of my stock photography agencies.
So let's start at the bottom with Canstock Photo. I only had one sale and 25 cents. For 123RF, I had 5 sales, $1.52. Deposit Photo came in next at 9 sales with $2.07. Bigstock Photo, 9 sales, $2.25, and Dreamstime at also 9 sales, $4.16. For the agencies I generally get the most money from, let's take a look at Getty Images, 24 sales for $24.37. ShutterStock, I had 71 sales and $24.37 in commissions, and once again Adobe was my big winner with 60 sales and $67.98 in commission. So my total for June 2021, 188 sales and $156.24 in commissions. So this is how the month of June compared to the month of June from previous years.
Made it.
This is Naples, Italy. Founded by the Greeks in the first millennium, it is one of the oldest continuously populated urban areas in the world. I took a few minutes to capture a panorama of this place that I am once again calling home for the next few weeks. These medieval alleys and never-ending stairs made for some interesting adventures and photography, but that will have to wait for another time.
Well, everybody, that is it for this episode. Thank you for watching. As you can see, I'm still going downhill here. Do me a favor, click that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And of course, if you can, please consider opening your hearts and homes to a shelter animal in need. And if you can't, please consider donating to your local animal shelter. I am going to go find myself some dinner, maybe get a little vino, and then get ready for the next adventure here in Naples. See y'all soon.